Since 1974, the Villele estate has become a patrimonial place, a museum which displays the history of those who built its walls. A rich Creole family of planters, the Panon des Bassins, and then the Villèles. The place of a social organization impacted by a servitude named by slavery, engagism, and partial colony. Beyond what it displays and of what is given to see, it is a space in brackets and time, in which imagination and reality coexist. Madame des Bassins, passed away the 4th of February 1846, is still watching over. The Villele Historical Museum has its own identity, and the movie Villele Museum in brackets offers a poetical interpretation of it.